everyone! Welcome to Fun with Drawing channel. Let's do fun while drawing. Today, I will draw Tom and Jerry. First, I will draw Jerry. I am starting with his face and his ears. His eyes and mouth. Jerry is a very cunning, crafty, clever, and smart, excited, carefree, and cheeky mouse. Sometimes when humans see Jerry, they freak out and call out to Tom to get rid of Jerry. Now, after drawing his face, I will draw his body, hands, and legs. And at the last, I will draw his tail. Now I am starting drawing Tom. I will start with his nose and eyes. Now I am starting drawing Tom. I will start with his nose and eyes. He often attempts to catch Jerry, whom he claims is a pest, but is prone to getting injuries. He sometimes can be stupid, dumb, and annoying to people. And Jerry, although he doesn't talk, he has been shown to use the telephone on certain occasions. Humans cause trouble for Tom, especially the grown-ups, kids, and babies. After drawing his face, I am drawing his body, hands, and legs. Tom and Jerry drawing is complete. Now I will start coloring. First, I am coloring blue in Tom's body. Light blue color in his palm and his feet. Now light pink color in his ears. After Tom, I will color in Jerry, brown color in Jerry body. Now light pink color in his ears. Wow, Tom and Jerry are looking so pretty. Bye-bye.